So the repeat of 16K17, 6K17. Way better than the first 6 out the door. I'm just looking for, there, a little wide on the finish. Yeah, Otto, can you see what's happening here? As the move starts, you're moving around this grip. Your arm needs to move down this line as you rotate in place. Otherwise, what happens is, as Naji comes through the center, you end up rotating out and away, which means that you've got a longer move to finish. And it should feel like such a short block. It should feel like block 5. You know how we're trying to get block 5 shorter and shorter and shorter, and we're doing a really good job of improving that. As we're trying to get that feeling that even though Matthew and Otto, right now you're kind of trying to keep your center point still, is that the shift you make is just switching with each other. If you look at each other now at the beginning of the 6, your move is just to switch places, but you've got to have a door to do that. And then Matthew, for you as well, at the beginning of the move, you see how your center point backs up? Keep the distance, guys. Imagine that you're just building, you have a pin through your center points, ding, like a butterfly, and there, and then just rotate in place and force the distance between you guys to stay tight. It's a way of keeping the block short. This isn't bad, guys. This is way better on the repeat. Just trying to get that feeling of how short every block can be. I'm really liking the calmness as well on the 17 builds. Seems like a really clear idea of where you guys want the 17 to build. None of that wandering around in early grips. You know, you can see the line building a good, strong two-way. Let's have a look at the B slot 17, because that was the one where, yeah, nice, Matthew, is you were reaching out when Amelia was in Otto's slot, but now with that 90-degree arm and having that cheek-to-cheek picture, that allows Otto to make his move. Nice finish on this round, guys. Looks good. So you scored 3 more points on this round than the first one through. Short is the idea on the 6s, guys. Good builds, getting the centers through equally down the line, the outsides holding their distance from each other, rotating around your center points, letting the grip move in front of you, really looking at each other, the outside, so Otto and Matthew, just pressing, and then just short move over to the catch.